In this lecture, we'll be starting with functions, and we'll be covering how to create a function, how to pass arguments to a function, how to store return values from a function. But in this one, we'll be taking a look at the stored attributes. For instance, over here you can see we are saying if name equals main, and in that case it should call the main method. So in order to create a function, we will have to make use of this keyword called def, which is define, and then the name of the function. For instance, over here we have this function called main, and then two parentheses. Here we can also pass a parameter. For instance, if I give this greet method a value 5, and here I can say that value as n. So this 5 will be stored over here in the variable n whenever the greet will be called over here, and we can make use of that by going to use the formatting, and here we'll say n like this. So we have the keyword def, then the name of the function, parentheses and colon. After that we'll have the body of the function. For instance, main contains another function call to a function called greet, and here you can see we are again creating greet method or function exactly like we have created main. Here we are using the def keyword, then the name of the function, and then parentheses, and inside that the parameter, and this body contains hi and then the parameter which we have passed over here. Finally, we are on this line number 7, where we just check if the file is main file. In that case, call the main function. And this convention you will see more often whenever you'll encounter any Python code, and this is so common that if I go ahead and say double underscore, you'll see it is providing me this feature name. So using this approach, we are saying that if it's a main file, call the main method. And if I save this and run it, you'll see it's saying hi 5. So it calls the greet method, passes this value 5 and stores that value, and then prints hi 5. And this is the line which gets executed because this is the main file the main method is called. Now in the next lecture we'll be exploring more about functions.